have so much stuff that we've been working on that's been in opposite direction. Let's do the side plane opposite direction. This. Side plane, opposite direction, both up at the same time. So at the same time, it's not. This one might be easier with longer poi because you have a longer amount of time. Like shorter poi is like you have to swing faster, like this, but it'll work. Yeah. But sometimes it's not straight like mine, so you can fake it. Just do them both. All you do is both. Yeah. Because I want you to work on your performance style while you're learning it. Maybe close your eyes and keep your head up while you're practicing, rather than because like you're doing this. Or look up intentionally. I think your body posture being up more will allow you to add the dance on more easily than if you're looking down while you're doing it. Yes. Yeah. Okay, great. Let's do 10 sets together. Let's start with the left hand overhand, right hand underhand, left over, both hands. Left hand's overhand, right hand's underhand. So 5, 6, 7, and stall, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's do 10 more. So left is over, right is under. Yeah, we'll reset. Okay, and 5, 6, 7, and go. 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, 6, 7. Being able to get into it is actually more important in some ways because you're not really going to do like 20 executions in a performance, right? Left over, right under. 5, 6, and we'll do 5 of them. 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. Left over, right under. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and back to start. Left is overhand, right is underhand. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. Left over, right under. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. Left over, right under. So if you exit from when the left is in front and you just pull them back into circles, it should exit where you started. If you exit from there. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5. Exit from the front with the left and back to start. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. We're in left over, right under. And 5, 6, 7, go. 1, and 2, 3, 4, 5, and exit. Left overhand, right underhand. Good. And we'll do 5 more. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and exit, because I was going to have you do another saw, and let's enter it from this direction where the right is overhand and the left is underhand. Okay, 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5, and back to start where right is over, left is under. And 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, and 2, and 3, and 4, and 5, and back to start. Right is over, left is under. 5, 6, 7, go. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and back to start. Yes, being able to do it as an infinite combo is relevant. I just think that being able to start it from both is more important than being able to do the infinite combo in terms of, like, because if you exit wrong, you're going to exit into a move that you're comfortable with.